This is day 2 of Hot Springs Off-Road Park, but this is not where the story begins. We came here in April, and if you know anything about Arkansas, you know that means spring isn't just a season, it's a storm. Just 3 days before we arrived, tornadoes ripped across the state, and the skies dropped more rain than anyone could remember. The result? Flooded trails, deep mud, and rock faces slicker than ice. Yesterday, we explored every trail that we could find, carving our way through the chaos, itching closer to the one goal, the Jeep Badge of Honor trail known as Fun Run. And now it is time. If you missed part 1, go back and check it out because the entire park becomes the obstacle. But if you're here to see what happens when Jeeps meet the aftermath of Arkansas's wildest weather, then buckle up. This is going to get real. We are now at the entrance of Fun Run right here. Let's see what Fun Run has. So we are probably at about a 20-degree angle coming up this way. It's not too steep, but there's a lot of loose rocks and the tires are just gripping, but they're spinning off the rocks. But I think as long as you just put it in 4 low and just kind of keep your foot consistently on the gas, it will kind of catch and just roll right up. You don't want to be fluttering the gas right now. So the Jeep Badge of Honor actually says that this trail is a 5.7, and thus far, I mean, I know we just got onto the trail, but I don't see anything that's even a 5 on this trail.
Why do you say you see Dave? He's not driving.
I mean, I've been on Beasley Knob, which is a 7, 8, 9. I've been on Windrock 16, which is I want to say that one's a 5.7 or so. This is really fairly easy, so there's really nothing that's quite challenging on it yet. I know we just got on the trail, so I don't want to speak too soon. There's a little drop off right here, and there we go. So no, you can't really see in perspective, so I'm going to level off the phone right here and show you just how steep this is.
seen the video where I filmed on my brand new set of Kenda cleavers. And if you don't know about the Kenda cleaver tires, these are the brand new MT2s. Check this video out. These tires are by far, in my opinion, the best off-road tires that you can get for jeeping and off-roading. Man, these tires are amazing. The way that they gripped that rock was just sick. So I know there's a lot of maps and there's a lot of GPS apps that track out different trails. I personally use Onyx, and I was easily able to find all the trail systems out here at Hot Springs using Onyx Off-Road. Check out Onyx Off-Road. They were able to help me map out my entire overlanding trip this weekend, as well as check weather and check cell service. Okay, so Fun Run is definitely living up to his name. Just when you got past the first big wall of rocks, you are hit with the second big wall of rocks. Here we go. It wasn't that difficult. It looks difficult on the camera, possibly, but man, with these 37-inch Kendas, I'm telling you, I know I said it on the last one, they literally grip everything. They grip, I didn't spin the tire whatsoever. I think the rocks just kind of shot out from underneath it, but my tires did not even spin, even on the wet rocks. Okay, so Fun Run keeps bringing out extra fun. There's another rock hill obstacle with water just flowing down it. So we're gonna catch everybody on this one. Here we go. wheel length is just way too long on it. What broke? Man, that was something else. Trying to get up that hill, but I'm proud of old Road Rash. She did it, just stayed in the gas, worked my wheels back and forth, get them all nice and hot, then let off the gas just a little bit, and she crawled right up. Man, I love this Jeep. So we are at the end of Fun Run, and I kind of find it a little laughable, only because when I first got to the trail, I was like, this is a 5.7? Like, whoever named this trail 5.7? It was super easy. It, especially with all the rain and how wet the rocks were, it almost ate my lunch a couple of times, but it owned up to its name. That was definitely a fun run for sure. We've lost all of our time. It is now almost 7 o'clock. The sun's going down. We were going to do Rubicon Ridge today, but we might have to do that tomorrow. We're going to head back to camp, go ahead and set up camp, light a fire, cook dinner, and just get ready just to hang out and chill for a little bit. That was it for Fun Run today. We explored much of Hot Springs today and ran the Fun Run Badge of Honor Trail. We're going to post that video. If you guys are interested in Hot Springs or Fun Run or any of the other Hot Springs trails, then like and subscribe to this video, because we're going to post more videos about Badge of Honor and possibly about Hot Springs as well. See you guys in the next video.